and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making cowboy dipping sauce. This garlic butter dipping sauce is the bomb, baby. It's so freaking good with grilled meat like steak and chicken. You can also enjoy this on any of your vegetables. So for our ingredients, we have butter, lemon, zest of a lemon, minced garlic, Dijon mustard, cayenne pepper, paprika, parsley, chives, thyme, crushed red peppers, and black pepper. First thing we're going to do to make our cowboy butter sauce recipe, in a small bowl, you want to combine your melted butter, salt and pepper, garlic, your red pepper flakes, pinch of cayenne pepper, your paprika, your thyme, and we're going to mix that together. We're going to squeeze our lemon juice, and we're going to add that. Now, I chose to melt my butter over the stove and add my ingredients, but you could melt your butter ahead of a time and let it cool, and then add your ingredients to it. And here we're adding our chopped chives and our Dijon mustard. So you want to taste and adjust your seasonings, or you can add any other ingredients that you would like. Today we made cowboy butter dipping sauce. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Baby We Eat.